It's the manager's first game at the helm, and the spotlight is squarely on, as well as the pressure, with the fans demanding a perfect start. Hello, and thanks for joining us live here on EATV. I'm Guy Mowbray with the former Arsenal and West Ham midfielder Stuart Robson alongside me. And I hope you're as ready as the crowd is here for another Bundesliga season to begin. What are we going to get from this one?
Well, the atmosphere is incredible inside the stadium. There's a real sense of optimism amongst the fans about the new season and what it might bring. It's been a long wait, but hopefully we get a great game to kick their campaigns off.
This might be promising. Good cross into the middle. And the keeper gets it and holds on to it. DiMarco. Fabio Silva. What a chance here! Played through. Oh, the flag's up. That could be offside. Substitution coming up. Ten minutes left for play.
Well, the atmosphere is so tense inside this stadium, but can they find that moment of magic to win this game? The crowd certainly think so. Just listen to them.
Five minutes left, still absolutely nothing in it. Promising looking ball. There could be a chance to win the game here. Good cross into the middle. This could be dangerous. Unable to find anyone with that. Fabio Silva. Right idea, but the wrong side of the fine margins. And that is the final whistle. Well, nothing to split the two sides, and the points shared. What did you make of the home performance today?
Well, they should be really happy, not just with the result.
Fight for, with every point gained so crucial to their chances of success. As it always is in this league, every moment matters. Well, hello to you and welcome to another exciting game brought to you by EATV. I'm Guy Mowbray, your commentator, with the professionals' view provided by Stuart Robson. And we've got action for you from the Bundesliga today. What can we expect from the game then?
It was a good start for our hosts in their opening match. It was always going to be difficult for them, but they showed a lot of good qualities to get that point. They need more of the same today.
This is how the hosts line up.
Well, it'll be interesting to see how the wingers play today. Will they stay high and wide? Will they come in field and support the centre forward? And how deep will they come out of possession? They're going to be key to this formation.
This is the lineup for the visitors.
Well, the wingers will be key here. They have to choose the right time to give width and the right time to come infield to support the centre forward. If they can do that, they're a potent front three. No doubt about that.
Good effort to stop the ball going out. That has stopped any potential danger. Now, if he gets there, it's a chance. Potts. Now, can he get the cross in? ball comes in. Oh, and a good save to keep it level.
Well, what an important save that is. He's just got his team out of trouble there.
Just a little untidy. And a cross into the area. Oh, they've lost it. The attack is over. This could be dangerous. And that is the final whistle. Well, nothing to split the two sides, and the points shared. What did you make of the home performance today?
The manager has made his choice, and it's a bold one, leaving such a key player on the bench. The question now, can he back it up with a result? Well, it's slightly off the beaten track, but it's a football venue that simply oozes passion. We're here at the Stadion an der Alten Försterei in Köpenick. I'm Derek Ray on the commentary gantry, and delighted to be joined as always by Stuart Robson. And looking forward to bringing you action from the Bundesliga. What are your expectations for today?
The visitors come here after a mediocre start to the season. They've looked good in patches, but unless they can play with more consistency, they could be in for a real test today.
This is the lineup for the visitors today.
Well, although we have it down as a 4-5-1, it's actually more likely to be a 4-2-3-1. They play with two holding midfield players, a number 10 and two wingers. The system has a nice balance to it.
Well, with the record they've built against this team, the manager certainly looks calm and confident.
Yeah, but I'm not sure that means too much today. This is a totally different game.
Making them chase shadows. But then the one that goes astray. Decent looking pass. Blas. He read the situation defensively and did his job. And I will be with you for this game coming up.
I'm really looking forward to it. Always a great atmosphere in that stadium, and it should be an entertaining match. Well, they're showing a completely different approach to this game here. They're now going flat out to put pressure on their opponents by winning back the ball as high up the pitch as they can. It certainly makes it interesting.
Well, clattered away. And the ball back with Union here. Now we're inside the final 10 minutes in this one. Malik Chow. Jeong Woo-young. Promising pass. A goal here might win it. But nothing comes of it. Good defending it was. Could pose a threat on the counter. And using the flank. Oh, that's fine defensive play. And taken cleanly by the goalkeeper. Good piece of closing down. So 1 minute of stoppage time, that's what the officials have said. And so the final whistle has sounded, and this game will go into the history books recorded as a draw. What do you think the visitors will feel about what they put into the game?
Well, it was certainly a tight game, and overall, I think...
Two teams ready to face off in a clash that will captivate fans across the globe. The tension's building, and this is one you won't want to miss. A warm welcome to you, and thanks for joining us for another game live on EA TV. I'm Guy Mowbray, and it's a pleasure to be joined by Stuart Robson in the commentary box. And we've got live Bundesliga action on the way. What can we expect from the game then?
As is always the case, the team that dominates midfield will be the team that controls the flow of the game. And that, for me, is the area that's key today.
Eventful first 45. Let's hope the second half brings significantly better. And the referee signals advantage. And the attack halted in its tracks. And there we are, yellow card.
The referee is absolutely right. He knew what he was doing there.
Just lacked a little concentration there, and behind it goes. You can put all the speculation to bed now, because Atletico have got the signing over the line. A good move?
Yeah, that price, I think, is value for money. He'll certainly improve their squad and maybe the team. It's a good signing, you have to say.
Beautifully weighted ball. Oh, that's been won really smartly. Martinez. Doan. Possession, will a goal. Moving the ball forward, hoping something might open up. Promising move stalls. 10 minutes to go. It's more or less next goal wins time. Could this be it? Opportunity here. It's in, and it might well be the winning goal.
Well, we can see it again now, and it all starts with the pass over the top. It takes out so many defenders, but there's still plenty to do from here. He hits it so well, though. Lots of pace, lots of power, and the keeper just can't react in time. It's a great strike.
They need to be better on the ball than that. Ritsu Doan. Orkun Kökçü. Pass and move. They just can't get near them here. They might have to regroup here, having lost the ball.
Well, the players should be inspired by this. The crowd have really got behind them today.
Oh, bad tackle. And the ref will surely take action. And no hesitation to show the yellow card.
And he'll be walking a tightrope now.
Well, that brings the match to a close. A frustrating... Well, today we're set to witness a matchup that all football fans will truly relish. The stakes are high and the excitement undeniable. Hello and thanks for joining us at Cologne's Rhein-Energiestadion, one of my favourite venues anywhere in Europe. I'm Guy Mowbray and it's a pleasure to be joined by Stuart Robson in the commentary box. And we've got live Bundesliga action on the way. What can we expect from the game then?
The scene is set, two good teams, great playing surface and a vibrant atmosphere. It has all the ingredients for a really exciting game.
Well, that's how to clear it. Here's how the home side lines up.
Well, 3-5-2 is a good system only if you have top-class wing-backs, because they have such a key role. They have to cover the whole length of the field, both with and without the ball.
Oh, it looked like he could have been in there. Brilliant work defensively. The ref has seen that as a foul. They might be in. And the defence ready for what was coming. And into the last 30 minutes now. Being pressed here. Hubers. It's a perfect threaded through ball. And that's nicely won to see off the threat. Pushing forward, and there are choices on. Such a vital save.
Well, what a massive moment that is. Such a good save, at a crucial time as well.
Good cross into the middle. A move that had much promise, but it's a promise broken. It's all over as the ref blows for full time.